Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to,
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Sportmanship and Let's go. Under 14 finals matchup already set. Laguna coach JX Batangkalye taking on TYBC Pampanga. Ngayon, alamin natin sino ang magka-qualify in the under 16 division. Laguna again having one representative. Meanwhile, for Zamboanga Harbor Pilots, tingnan natin kung maibabawi nila yung mga taga CDO kanina. And of course, nung ating opening contest, Zamboanga team din ang naglaro doon. Just unfortunate, hindi pa makakuha ng panalo ang Zamboanga. Maybe dito sa ating under 16, makuha na nila ang kanilang panalo. And speaking of panalo, LBDL Gallants having a second chance of life here. Having a win today will guarantee them a spot in the finals. Mamaya, after nito, yun ang madugudugon laban. A very, very good matchup. But for at least for this moment, let's take our focus. Let's take our attention in this ball game. As you see Simborio on the background, isa sa mga aasahan dito para sa kampo ng Laguna o ng Zamboanga, I should say. Didn't complete his trip on the other side. On that drive, di papasok para kay Tino La Pastora, but he will be at the line. Can be a good matchup para dito kay Simborio. Talking about itong si La Pastora, Navarez, Batan for me, isa sa mga pinaka-consistent na players ng LBDL Gallants or Galleons, as you want to call them. Meanwhile, Harbor Pilots from Zamboanga, Jovita and company, looking to make some space, make some noise as they look to enter the finals with a win. La Pastora sends it on the left. Nice pass. Finish. Lyjan Takdaran makes that a basket. 8-2 start for LBDL. Looking for that double pump. Masyadong malakas para dito kay Basaya. Attacking once again, La Pastora. Couldn't get that attempt. Labas kay Batan. Here's Andre. Sends it out once again for 3. Didn't hit for Nebreja. A steal and a possession returning on the side of Zamboanga Harbor Pilots. Jovita has been one of the players that played well on their opening win, and that basket goes in and one. Substitution call. CJ Lumantas, Christian Joe Lumantas will be at the line. Hindi papasok ang 3-point play. La Pastora getting that possession. Again, jumper from the middle is in. Tino La Pastora, Santino Miguel La Pastora making that basket. CJ finds a player inside. Didn't make that attempt. Itong si Jessam De Gallo on that last play. 1 out of 2 para kay Jessam kanina at the free throw area. Player is down in front of the bench of Zamboanga. .6:34 remaining as we wait for the action to continue. A strong start for Laguna. A slow start naman para dito sa Zamboanga. And nababasa ko sa ating live stream yung mga comments nyo regarding the start of Zamboanga. If you are from Zamboanga and supporting Zamboanga, just hope na maipapagpag nila yung kanilang mabagal na simula. And how can they do that with Takdaran making those putbacks? Full court pressure ang pinapakita ngayon ng Laguna. Zamboanga having difficulty. Simborio first shot. That is off the mark. Batan passes it on the left. Hindi makakahanap ng angulo si Navarez. Offensive rebound going into the way of Laguna. Rebound secure there. And now we'll go once again on the push. Jumper from the middle of the mark, securing that rebound, looking to make a space, scoot his way in. Merong foul na itinawag. 12-4 is the score with 5 minutes 10 remaining. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
So 14 seconds to shoot on the shot clock here. Di makahanap ng butas. On that attempt was a Joshua Makilan. Pero kanila pa rin ang possession dito with 5 minutes remaining. Looking to start this inbound kay Simborio, one of their more consistent players. Sends it on the left wing. Hits the board on that three. The Pastora secures that possession. Hindi i-score si Takdaran. Penalty situation with 4 minutes 38 para sa Laguna. Ito na yung mga hinahanap ng mga supporters from Zamboanga. CJ will now be at the line. Need to capitalize on these penalty situations. Kailangan makahanap ng pagkakataon, kailangan makahanap ng paraan. Knocks down the second. Securing those free throws, CJ Lomantas. 12-5 is the score. Itong Zamboanga naman ngayon ang nagbibigay ng pressure defense. They get that steal, sends it out, shoots this three, that is off the mark. Had a quick trigger, a quick look, was Noah Bation. JD Isonera, the eraser, he's been deployed here. Gonna go for that swing. Jumper from the corner. That is off the mark. On the run once again, Zamboanga. Down by 7 points. Perfect pass. Too strong on the finish. Follow-up is in. Joshua Makilan not giving up. And they get a turnover on the other side. Laguna, after a solid start, gone cold after that basket. Tino La Pastora makes another jumper from the elbow. And they get a steal. La Pastora driving right. Masyadong bitin yung kanyang layup. Tinayuan lang ni Tambilawan on the other side. Thought about shooting that three. Bibigay kay Joshua Makilan. That is 4 points for Joshua Makilan, I believe, playing off the bench. At ito na ang arangkada ng Zamboanga on defense. Isonera versus Tambilawan. JD with a finish. 16-9 ang ating score. Tambilawan secures the possession. All day to shoot. Bation knocks it down. Noah Bation hit that three. That's the first three-pointer of the contest. And it cuts the lead here to 4 points. Sabi ni Binky Texon, ayan, simula na. Maybe referring to the offense of Zamboanga. Let's see if they can get things rolling. Off balance, no problem for Eldan Pareta. Carrying that one-hander to go. A quick pace. First quarter, 2 minutes, 5 remaining. Tambilawan will lose the possession. Dives for that ball. Tatawagan nga lang siya ng foul. A minute 45. Timeout by Laguna. Zamboanga only down by 6.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
A minute 50 remaining into this opening quarter. Ang depensa ng Zamboanga starting to heat up. Yung Laguna naman looking to respond after a strong start. JM Lapa now at the line. Knocks down on that free throw. 19-12 is the score. Nice bump and the finish. Getting that bump and basket to go. Di makasagot si JD. Esonera will be caught stepping on the line. A minute 10 remaining. 5 puntos ang hinahabol ng Zamboanga. Going for this three, but yon already making that three-pointer earlier. Looking to shoot once again. Palantar couldn't handle. On the chase, De Los Santos takes it home. Jared De Los Santos scores on that breakaway. Was ejected yesterday, but now looking to make a mark on that layup. Jovita. Sander Jovita. Tsaka itong si Jared De Los Santos can be a good matchup as a spin, a steal para dito kay Eldan Lucas Paretta on that last one. He will be at the line. Eldan Lucas Pareja. One more time for Pareja. A lane violation is called here. (22-16) is the total. Looking for that pass on the left side. Just didn't arrive in time. (22-16) drops it off on the left side. Isonera secures that rebound. Balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng Laguna. One-hander didn't work for Pareja on the run. Sander Jovita finds a way. Couldn't complete that basket, but that end one opportunity is in discussion. Referees call no basket on the other side. They will have a discussion on that one. It was a close contact, a close call by our referees. Now we are discussing here the action, I should say. 16-22. Kung papasok yung tawag, it would be 18-22 plus a bonus free throw. No basket ang tawag ng ating referees, but merong free throws to be shot here by Simporio. Jovi James Simporio missing on the first. (22-16) is the score. Second quarter now beginning immediately after that. As both teams looking to win their way into the finals of the under-16 division. We start in the second quarter as almost a steal here out of bounds ang tawag doon ng ating referees. 22-16. Bola pa rin ng Zamboanga as Fernandez enters the game here for the first time. Lost the ball on the push. Itong si Nebria. Tough basket, better defense para dito sa Harbor Pilot. Zamboanga squad looking to cut the lead. A tap. Nebria, second try. He will succeed. Nebreja takes it all the way for our first 2 points. (24-16). Simborio sends it in the corner for a shot. Bitin will look to attack here. De Los Santos kills a defender in that layup, shooting over the taller player and making it count. What a shot by De Los Santos.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
(26-16). Looking to counter itong Zamboanga. Semborio fakes, lumapit, jumper, that is off the mark. Gets another possession. Basaya to Semborio. And Double J, Semborio gets that basket to go. I believe his first 2 points of the game. Meanwhile, Santino La Pastora hits that layup. And off that drive, looking to respond, itong si James Semborio. (28-19), a 9-point lead. Looking to push once again, Harbor Pilots. Basaya flies high. Didn't go in, follow-up won't work. Recovered here by Semborio. Fernandez lost the touch. And now on a break, 3-on-1. Hands it off for 2. Getting that basket to go in, Andre Batan makes it work. Another delivery by the Harbor Pilots. 30-21. 7:10 remaining. And an offensive foul is called. throws it on the inbound. It is not rescued. Simborio once again. They go for this play. Someone is open on the other side. A bit late on the pass, no problem. Basket and one. Chris Nino Basaya completes the touch plus the basket. Couldn't complete the three-point play. Chris Basaya is fouled once again. Isa pang pagkakataon para dito kay Chris. .6:28 remaining. Let's see if makakompleto ng three-point play si Basaya. Still, mintis pa rin ang kanyang free throws. That's 0 out of 2. One more time for Chris Basaya. Knocks down the second one. In total, 1 out of 3. Pressure defense being played here at nakikita ko sa aking left side, ready to take on the court C action. Waiting on the wings, San Juan Mighty Warriors. 8-second call on the other side. Pareha couldn't receive that pass. Harbor Pilots looking to pilot. They were in. Nice find by Fernandez. Nice finish by De Gallo. That was a nice looking pass. Kahit yung mga nanunood dito na San Juan Warrior squad, I see sila Aniel Berdan looking on, impressed on that pass. What a find by Fernandez. De Los Santos, very tough, courageous, smart player itong si De Los Santos, looking to stay in the action for a much longer time. Kahapon na thrown out, now completing a free throw. 4 points para dito kay De Los Santos, and another touchdown. Jessam De Gallo completes another play. Here's De Los Santos on the drive. Couldn't score on that end one. Pero merong foul na itatawag dito as De Los Santos once again. Knocks down the first. (34-28). Looking to cut the lead itong Zamboanga Harbor Pilots. So it is an offensive foul ang itatawag sa kampo ng Zamboanga. As they will call for a break, a time, not a good start or not a good way to follow up on that run 34-28, 5:11 remaining. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa.
5 minutes, 8 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. A much slower one because of defense plays like that. Simborio making that stop. Nawala on the takeoff yung bola as De Los Santos will challenge Simborio. The giant killer has done it again. De Los Santos really having a strong upper body strength to control. That three didn't go in, and a foul will be called on Krian Tambilawan. (36-28). Tambilawan and crew susubukang maibaba ang kalamangan. Goes for that attempt, a stop once again. Drops it off, masyado malakas. Krian Tambilawan securing that rebound. Jovita will lose the ball against De Los Santos. Fearless as ever as he will be fouled. Tambilawan puts him down. Timeout will be called. De Los Santos will be at the line. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang
De Los Santos misses on the second. Will be recovered here by Simborio and just picks that ball away. Itong si De Los Santos now on the push. Sander Jovita. They want a foul to be called on that last one. Three minutes to go. Again, a coaching staff wanting to argue that Jovita was fouled on that last play. Simborio sends it out, and there is that defense. A lot of shoving, a lot of touching on that one. Lumantas was fouled, and it is penalty situation for both teams actually. With 2:49 remaining, Lumantas makes the first. 37-30. Laguna, they will play offense. Zamboanga and Harbor Pilot squad gonna look for defense, and that's beautiful on that handoff. Nakahanap ng butas on that defense. 39-30. Simborio attacks skies high and uses the glass. 39-32. Thought about that shot and drive, as will be at the line once again itong si De Los Santos. And he's one of the players to really watch out for. At alam natin yung kanyang mga buwelo for De Los Santos. Has made a big basket early. Now has missed on the free throw once again. A minute 43. 40-32 is the score. 8-point lead. Simborio needing to wax hot here as we are nearing the end. Muntik na nga mabutata. Nice fake. One hand floater bitin. Jovita is open in that corner. Tambilawan gets that basket. Cuts the lead to 6. Nice cross. Breaking the defense of Jovita. Tambilawan secures that rebound. A steal from behind. No look. Dribble. Basket. Santino La Pastora has made another basket on his name. Sabi ni Batan, sayang yon. Could have got Jovita on my highlight. Bola mababalik sa kampo ng Laguna. Bump, slips. Stepping back, jumper. Nice block by Simborio. Isa pa for Tino. It's good. Tino La Pastora has had countless points here. Simborio looking to counter. And one for James. Simborio couldn't complete that three-point play. 44-36, still an 8-point lead. Sa dami ng nagawang puntos ng Zamboanga, 8 pa rin ang kanilang hinahabol as Isonera wasn't able to secure that point. Final 17 seconds remaining into the second quarter of action. Nice rejection that time. Isa pa, Tino wouldn't make it. JD Isonera able to send that ball and just scoring on that last play for Zamboanga. Making that last point is Basaya. 46-38, 8 pa rin ang abante ng Laguna dito sa ating laro.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang ang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to.
Semifinals in the under-16 division dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Laguna versus Zamboanga, with Laguna up here by 10, 38 to 48 to start off our second half of action. A 3 on the way. Bitin. Follow up is good as John Noah Bation has entered the scoring fray once again. Nakakuha ng 3-pointer kanina. (48-40). Laguna looking to continue to play well, waiting on the wings. Mamaya sa finals, it is Ultimate Pampanga and San Juan Mighty Warriors. Sander Jovita will be at the line. 48-40. Missing on the first one. Couldn't make the bonus. Sander Jovita will have another shot at the free throw area para mas maibaba pa ang kalamangan dito ng Laguna. They were able to cut it as low as 6.7 points, kaso hindi pa masyadong kuha ng sunod-sunod na puntos itong Zamboanga. That's why they are having a difficult time here. Meanwhile for Laguna, naibababa man ang kalamangan, nakakalapit din naman o naibabawi din naman nila yung kanilang mga puntos. And speaking of bawi, Batan missing on that jumper, usually automatic on that line. Jovita passes it too much on the left side. Now on a 3-on-4 break, nakakuha. Nice defense, recovered. Jovita will be recovering that ball. Call for a jump. Balik ang bola. I believe this will be on the side of Laguna. Zamboanga having that possession. 48-41. Gonna call out this play. Goes for that fake. Fernandez. Nawala lang. 6 seconds to go. Fernandez once again. Can they make this? A lot of wasted opportunities. Basaya that time didn't convert. Didn't catch well on that pass. Nice trip. A clean swipe there. Now going to run is Basaya. Makilan. A steal On the way, running De Los Santos. Feisty on defense, amazing on offense, pushing the lead to 9. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pag
50-41. Wanting to go for those attacks. And Zamboanga needs to find a way para makalapit dito sa ating laro. Again, they have been trying their best. Just couldn't get enough opportunities. Fernandez. Look at the defense on the side of Laguna. Sends it inside. Basaya scores again. Making it count is Chris Basaya. Batan will be called there. Still 7-point lead. Simborio calls out a play, sends it out. Basaya for 3. That is way off on that shot. 50-43 pa rin. And a steal, a counter steal. Stepping through. Jumper is a miss by Navarez. This is that window na hinahanap ng Zamboanga para makahabol. Can they make something on their offense? As that jump call, balik dito sa Laguna. Noah was trapped in that corner. Somehow mag-aantay pa rin ang pagkakataon. Makalapit, maibasag itong 7-point barrier for Zamboanga as Simborio will be called for a foul. James Simborio needing to start taking over for the squad. Had a wonderful elimination round as that ball was tapped on the side of Batan. Balik sa Zamboanga again. This is their chance. Can they convert? Basaya sends it to Bastion. Erased. Good defense by Takderen. (50-43). Noah for 3. That had a good line. Just didn't convert. Nice block by Simborio. Able to sky high. Isa pa. Running free. Gets that layup to go. Cuts the lead to 5. Chesam de Gallo. 50-45. 5-point lead. Takderan with an answer. (52-45). Still 7-point lead. Simborio sends it to Noah once again. Had a clean look. Just couldn't hit those threes. Last touch si Simborio with 3:45 remaining. (52-45). 3 minutes 30 remaining. as the squad from Zamboanga looking to cut this one off once again. Again, 52-45. 7-point lead. La Pastora and company looking to protect this lead. Jovita versus De Los Santos. Here is Tino. Jumper. That is off the mark. Tino gets that ball. Merong foul na itatawag sa baba. As a foul was called there. Richie Orbita will be called for that one. 3 minutes na lang ang nalalabi, and a steal, a runoff. Let's see if they can finish. Sander Orbita cuts the lead to 5. 52-47. JM Lapa goes for that cross, finds an opening. Lapa will get that friendly bounce. Just back and forth. 5 to 7 point advantage to cut the lead. Stepping for the shot. Masyadong malakas. Nice read. Semporio looking for a drop play. Jovita wanting to shoot that ball. Medyo late yung pasa. Sander sends it. A big three. Kaboom! Gets that. A 3-pointer to go. 54-50. De Los Santos on the other side. Just pushing on that pace. (56-50). Simborio and company again looking to cut this lead point per point. Another three. Had a clean look. Couldn't make it back to back itong Silomantas. Referees will call a foul. Trapped on that baseline. (56-40). Final minute incoming dito sa ating third quarter. Zamboanga playing well. Laguna always has an answer. LBDL Galleons. Andre Batan secures that layup. Jovita bibigay dito on that shot. Didn't go here for Lumantas. Isonera turns the ball away. Another opportunity. Waiting for that whistle. Jovita for three. Sending it out of bounds. On that play, stepping at the line. Referees call a traveling violation. Balik sa 8 ang hinahabol dito with 15.6 remaining into the third. Cut it to as low as 5 points. Five seconds to go. Di makahanap. Can they end the quarter on a high note? Ganon kamalas ang opensa na nangyayari dito for Davao in the last 3 possessions. Was able to cut it to 5. Laguna enters the fourth quarter. 58-50 ang kanilang kalamangan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero
Fourth quarter action. First semifinals in the under 16 division, I should say. Dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of the Champions. Ating under 14 meron ng laban bukas. And we will have to figure out the rest of the way. Sino ang lalaban sa under 16, 18 at 21. Of that third quarter, Zamboanga na baba nila sa 5 ang kanilang hinahabol. Pero itong Laguna, very timely yung kanilang mga baskets. $58-50. Hands it off. Masyadong malakas para dito kay Pareha. Muntik nang mawala. Let's see if they can recover and score here. First points of the fourth quarter, wala pa for both teams. As both squads looking to talk things through, we have a timeout call.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa.
$58-50. Again, wala pang nakakapuntos dito sa magkaparehong teams na to. Tino with a jumper. It's good for the first 2 points. La Pastora, the main point getter for Laguna in this game, has been playing well. Steady from the first quarter, second, third. Dito sa ating fourth quarter, looking to make his strides. 60-50 ang ating score dito. 7 minutes 40 to go as they look to at least make this game closer. Talking about Zamboanga, kanina pa sinusubukan makahabol, just couldn't do or get the job done. Let's see if Semborio can make something happen. Nice stop by Tampilawan. Yung mga ganong puntos hindi mahulog para dito sa Zamboanga. Lumantas has been stepping up for his squad here. knocks it down on the second. Zamboanga cuts the lead here to 8. They turn the ball over. Talking about Laguna and Fernandez. Siya naman ang mag-free throw dito to cut the lead here. Inuunti-unti ng Zamboanga itong kalamangan ng Laguna, which is good. But they need to play defense then on the other side. Fernandez couldn't make it. $60-53 and a takeaway. Goes for that step. Simborio finally hits that basket to go. For the last 2 to 3 possessions, nakakakuha ng stop, nakakakuha ng steals, and now after being 3 out of 4 from the free throw area, Simborio can cut it to 4. Yun ang kanilang pinakamababa na hinahabol dito so far. Can't knock down the free throw. Tingnan natin kung makaka-steal ulit sila. Lapa receives that ball, goes for that cross. Good defense now on the run. Fernandez. Pass was just far enough. $60-55. Chance of defense on the side of Zamboanga. Needing to make a stop. Laguna only scoring their 2 points. Referees call an offensive foul. Simborio attacks. Gets that rebound. Another reset. Needing a big basket. 5:45 remaining. A 3 by Fernandez. Tambilawan couldn't get that follow-up. Tatlo na lamang sana kung na-score ni Tambilawan yun. Batan waiting for this pick. Sends it on the left side. 5:25 remaining. Jumper won't fall. Gonna push one more time. Simborio now starting to take over. Itong si James Simborio. Haven't tasted the lead. Itong Zamboanga all day long. Down by only 3. Laguna LBDL Galleons. Sila didiskarte. Fakes. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Swings it. Batan. Jumper. Off the mark. Tambilawan secures that rebound. Balik kay Simborio. Lumantas to Fernandez. Goes for the attack. Waits for a teammate. Balik kay Tambilawan. 7 to go. Simborio thought about that 3. Went for that cross. 2 seconds. Couldn't convert on ang basket. Lumantas. Sayang, di na ibabasa 1-point lead. Pamatay sunog for Takderan. Finds a tough angle on that shot from the board. 4 minutes remaining. Fernandez was open. Tambilawan gets a friendly roll. Krian Tambilawan able to secure. Tino with a jumper. Won't fall. Referees call a foul on Takderan. Krian Tambilawan. Big man with a big free throw to make. Gets that friendly roll, dalawa na lamang ang hinahabol ng Zamboanga. Hindi pa sila nagkakaroon ng kalamangan dito. Gets that second free throw to drop. 1 point na lang. LBDL Gallants nanganganib. Mawala ang kalamangan sa kanila. Noah was called for that foul. Penalty na po ang Laguna. Itong Zamboanga, 2 team fouls pa lamang. So if I am Zamboanga, would go for this attack every time. Looking for a big basket. 9 seconds. Batan. Pass was almost lost. Noah was caught swiping on that one. Kahit yung mga coaches niya alam na sumundot doon si Batan. Not yet in the penalty though. So wala pang free throws. Takderan. Nice pass. De Los Santos kisses it off the glass. Susubukang ibawi ni Noah yung kanyang foul kanina. Misses on the first. One out of 2 with 3:03 remaining. Dalawa na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. Laguna looking to stop the fireman attack by Harbor Pilots.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Three minutes remaining. 64-62. They look for a big basket. Si De Los Santos uling nakapuntos para sa Laguna. Lapa sends it in the corner. Drives. Nice defense by Simborio. Shutting it down. Sander Ovita and one. Defense to offense. Simborio with a block. Jovita with a finish. Can Sander give Harbor Pilots from Zamboanga their first taste of the lead? Yes, he can. Sander Jovita gives them the lead. Chance of defense. Side ng Zamboanga. First time makalamang buong laro. Laguna looking to recover. De Los Santos sends it out. Almost a steal. Tiptoeing on the line. Batan gives it inside. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Offensive rebound. Santino La Pastora able to snatch the lead back. Last 2 minutes. Maybe an ill-advised 3. Dodging a bullet itong Laguna. Momentum is on the side of Zamboanga. Tignan natin makakapigil pa sila. Gives it in the corner. Tino La Pastora fading away, won't fall. Another run in. Here we go. No! Simborio completes. Balik sa Zamboanga ang kalamangan. San Juan Mighty Warriors watching intently sa isa sa kanilang mga pwedeng makalaban. Nice defense by Lumantas. 1 minute 17. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Laguna looking to make one more big play. Batan can hit this jumper, fading away. Won't fall. Rebound by Simborio. James Simborio made some timely baskets. Made that big block. Lumantas in the first quarter. Siya yung naging haligi. Someone needs to take a shot. Ball is tapped. It is a 3-on-2 break. De Los Santos, nowhere to go. Takteran gives them the lead back. What basketball action we're seeing here in the semifinals. We'll call for time. Laguna has a 1-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na
Turns the ball away to start off that possession. (68-67). Finals appearance hanging on the balance. Tino La Pastora has made big baskets for the squad. Here he is as the ball. Balik kay De Los Santos. 33 to go. Winner will be in the finals. Laguna protecting a 1-point lead. 7 on the shot clock. Needing to hurry. 3 to go. 2. Tino. Shot clock violation. Down the wire we go. Comkit Picasso looks at the clock. It says 21 seconds. Laguna is in the penalty. Zamboanga going for the win. Jovita on the drive, sends it, fakes, shoots. Simborio having troubles down low. Ball is loose. A foul is called. Tambilawan will be called for the push. On that moment, Zamboanga couldn't find an open spot. We have a timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
3.9 seconds remaining. 68-67. Laguna just needs to take care of this ball, not turn the ball over. 5-second call. 5-second violation. Pass took too long. Buhay pa ang Zamboanga. Win. Enjorin. 3.4 to go. Here we go. Simborio attacks. Follow up is in. That will count. Zamboanga will go into the finals. Wow! What a follow-up! That is crazy! Zamboanga Harbor Pilots piloted their way in. They are moving on to the finals. Ang daming pagkakataon para makuha ng Zamboanga ang panalo. They have done it in the most dramatic fashion ever. Simborio with a miss. They clean it up. Hit that follow-up. 69-68. Zamboanga is in. Sorry loss for Laguna. I need to take a breather here. Congratulations, Zamboanga Harbor Pilots. You are into the finals.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.